Hi guys, so today I'm gonna play this party update. So I don't want to go right now. Okay, so I'd rather go in this one because it's very good classes and I have a camera and I think that's good. But now we have to go chat a lot. Okay. Oh my god, no time. No, I want the wildfire stuff because I don't really want it. Because I'm the one fire creator. Now I'm gonna go get this. Also, we have to go to. Oh my god, what the heck I just said? Oh, this beside was my brother, and I hope you all defeated him. Oh, I think I'm a little late. Yeah, I was a little late. Okay, now I need to drop the goal. Oh my god, I forgot I need to wood. Broke it. I'm gonna write this. I'm on a phone. Get back 5 free diamonds. Oh my god, backbench. And then they wait, I forgot where the cap. Oh my god, oh my god, the diamonds are earning. Oh my god. Aren't you happy? No, it's about to. Hi. Bro, is he a girl or a boy? Name is Gabriel or okay, mistakenly. I just did. Oh my god, I need that diamond. I'm so diamond. Look, so everyone has different diamonds? Okay, I have 52 now. Oh my god. This is a diamond. This is a diamond. And this is a diamond. And this is a diamond. Now I total have 58. Imagine I get 6 diamonds. How many diamonds are they gonna be? Okay, I joined a little late, you know that? So I might not get ruby chest. I gotta find them. I think I will, I guess. But I don't know about it. Okay, now. Oh my god! The campfire is so, Okay, bro just put it in. Okay, I'm going out for chopping wood. Bro, get this out here. Made a video. Okay. Now I'm gonna swing this up. Oh my god, I gotta go AFK for a second. Okay, yeah, I was going in the private room because there were a lot of noise, but I wanted to play with my brother. He was sitting beside me. He's the one who said shoot. Okay, oh my god, how did the campfire go that much? Bro, why is bro being AFK? I'm the one who did all the work. And bro's just gonna watch there. Okay, now let's put this in. Now let's go up hunting. Wait, the update is over? No! Guys, we didn't get the... Oh my god, I just typed no the update. Why am I... Guys, what? Oh my god. Oh my god, wait. At least just put a ruby chest, bro, like a ruby chest. Wow, I don't even want that. Get the heck out of here. I need a bunny foot, bro. Just give me a bunny foot at least. I just missed the date. wait. Bro, I just joined. And if you left the game, they just got taken back, I guess. Oh, let me guess that. Bro, please. Give me a ruby chest. I mean, I hope nobody opened it. Oh my. Live gambler, I could get upgraded. Okay. Is it getting night or something? Oh, I have not. Because I gotta be on my way. I'm on my way. Oh my god. Oh my god, I gotta eat carrots on the way? Oh my god. Guys, I think we're gonna go to steal a brain rot after this. We're doing what? Bro, someone just got an admin axe. Guys, we really need an admin axe. Guys, I just don't want this. Rubbish. I'm gonna put all the wood in there. I'm gonna upgrade the fire instead of like, you know. Guys, if I go to the lobby, I'm like literally MGL. I'm gonna play another game. I don't care about ruby chest or something. But yeah. Wonder if you can hide in a tree. I can say you can, but you can't. So wait, we can. Wait, I just went through it. Through this stone, whatever. So look. Wait, I really just did. I want to fire. I don't want. What should I do with this wild fire? Wait, 93. Bro, why the I need to see. Like, bro, what? Why the heck? Okay, I think like the name is Cracky Print. Wait. No! No! I didn't get the ruby chest. Guys are bye. Oh, bro, what? I heard there's assassin. See? Can anyone help me? Like, literally, can anyone help me get through that? Now I have to go up here. Wait, update in 1 minute and 10 seconds? I'm gonna ask my brother. Okay, I have no clue about it. Sorry for that noise, I was closing the door. But guys, I really want to go there. Oh my god. Oh my! Bro. Like, I want something good. Guys, think there's another event going on. So, you know, I'ma just... So, like, I'ma just... What'd you say? I'm just stay here. Wait, and I went 3, 2, 1. Oh, I meant this. Cause I just typed. I really do not want. Wait, diamond chest. Can I just go there? Guys, they really just missed all of stuff. You know. Wait, what'd you say? Update. Oh my god. The heck. Double jump wicket. What does that even mean? Bro's gonna oh my god, that was personal. Sorry, bro. Like, bro's gonna like. What'd you say? Bro, just left the game, but IDK. What you say next? No. Oh my! Why did we almost get revolver? Bro, that's the weekend. Bro, I have 6 ammo. Wow. Can anyone hunt the coal? Like, where's the coal? Wait, we need. Oh, okay, someone already took it. Let's do stuff. Ha! Wait, I just unstored the item. Wait, why am I unstoring our? I said, brother, what? Why did you call us? Quick! Okay, that's perfect. Now I'm a guys, let's go take that first kid with the revolver. Only 6 ammo, but before that, of course, gotta go to the playground to get a life code. What was this? I don't. Oh, teaming and wanted. I think of course to get it. Guys, why can't I get the tamings? Wait. Now let's tame somebody. Guys, I really not can go for tame through and shut up, bro, get out of here. Bruh. Brother just died. Okay, we got a carrot. And go. Bro, take this carrot. Okay, yeah. Just gonna try. I'm gonna die, bro. Look at my HP. I just got so many coal. Bruh. I think we need to get. Guys. No, please. Please don't. Not right now. Wait, night. Okay. Bruh. Okay, just gonna leave. And then like, I'm just gonna join like another server. Good. I've been playing 99 Nights at the Forest, but modded. but not that type of mod. The we're just like do it. Because please revive me, somebody, please revive me, Let's go, bruh. I was getting a carrot and eat some. So. And we're gonna put this in a sack for the bunny, and I'll eat the rest. See them. Good cooking. Now we got spoon. Wait. Put the finger here. Now where's Bunny? I don't know where the heck am I doing a bunny, but let's just go. Wait, Bunny, don't leave. Play. Carrot, you want a carrot? Good. Yeah, come on. How should I name him? Purple. Done. Oh, she's so cute. Come. Control, girl. Now let's connect. Now we're gonna take some of the girl. Purple. Wait, I think we need 2 steaks, yeah. So we're gonna find a new wolf and get some steak. Come on, Purple. Jump. Purple is so slow. Come on. Now we gotta kill another wolf so we can. Guys, we need to find a bandage real quick. Because I really need to revive the person and give him some. Yes, I know. I'm gonna take that revolver. I'm gonna take it. And luckily I get a good axe, a good set. Wait, do we get it from this chest? I hope so. Okay, I don't have that. Bro, why does everyone keep dying? Purple, bro, you're so dumb. I want a person like you. It's dumb. Why do people keep dying? But why? Bruh. You know, I'm gonna just leave this server. Hi guys. Okay, yeah. I think let's go to Steel Green Rock. I know it's the day is over. But let's just play it. Guys, you're gonna join this 5-star. That's because this kid bullying me. I don't have good stuff, that's why. And when they're gonna spawn good stuff, he's gonna or to take it from me. But please, I really need it.